Good evening, sir. My name is Jason Brent Iscomeg. I choose the topic is Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo. Noli Me Tangere are the novels writing by Dr. Jose Rizal which are in direct opposition to the Spanish regime in the Philippines. Ang Noli Me Tangere ay nagnobelang isulat ni Dr. P. Jose Rizal direktang sumusulungat sa remihang Espanyol sa Pilipinas. These novels expose the operation and corruption of the Spanish government in the Philippines. Inilantad ng mga nobelang ito ang pag-aapi at katiwalaan ng pagmamahalaga sa Espanyol sa Pilipinas. Noli Me Tangere is a first novel writing by Filipino patriot and national. Hero is Dr. Jose Rizal in 1887 and published in Germany. Ang Noli Me Tangere ay ang unang nobelang isinulat ng makabayang Pilipino at na at pagbansang bayani na si Jose P. Rizal noong 1887 at ninilantala sa Alaminya. The story is detailed with Philippine society during Spanish colonial period and features and aristocracy behind the poverty and abuse to colonialists. Ang kwento ng detalyado sa lipunan ng Pilipinas noong panahong ng kolonyal ng Espanyol at tumpok ang aristokrasyon sa likod ng kahirapan at pag-aabuso sa mga kolonyalista. In 1886, Rizal published his first novel, Noli Me Tangere, a passionate exposure of the evils of Spanish rule in the Philippines. Noong 1886, inilanta ni Jose Rizal ang kanyang unang nobela, ang Noli Me Tangere, isang marubdob na panglantad ng kasamaan ng pamahalaan ng mga Espanyol sa Pilipinas. I Escuel El Filibustrismo in 1891 established his reputation as the legend sophisman of the Philippines Reform Movement. Isang sumunod na pangyayari ang El Fili noong 1800. Siyumpiat sa isang of the ang nagtatatag ng kanyang reputasyon bilang mangungunang tagapagsalita ng kalusugan ng reforma sa Pilipinas. At yan lang po, sir. Maraming salamat at advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hi sir, good day. I am Giancarlo B. Salcedo and I will discuss about Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo. Noli Me Tangere and El Filibusterismo are the two novels by Philippine national hero by Dr. Jose Rizal that have significantly influenced the social and political awakening of the Filipino people. Publishing in Berlin in 1887, the novels depict the social and political conditions in the Philippines during the Spanish colonization period, highlighting corruption, colonial mentality, social injustice, and discrimination. The novels, which are published in 1891, introduce the character of Simon, an intelligent, the weakly Filipino who seeks revenge against the Spanish government and its allies for the injustice committed against his family and people. This novel serves as reminders of the need to change and challenge the status quo, inspiring generations of Filipinos to fight for civil rights, freedom, development, and democracy. In Tagalog, isinulat ni Dr. Jose P. Rizal ang mga unang kabanata ng No Limit Hungry noong 1884 sa Madrid, Paris at Berlin. Isinulat niya ito sa Uncle Tom's Cabin na nakatuon sa mga pakikibaka ng mga katutubong Amerikano. Tinalakay ni Rizal ang mga dahilan sa likod ng kanyang pagsulat at sumangguni kay Dr. Ferdinand Blume. Maraming salamat po.
No Limit Tangere and El Filibusterismo are two novels written by Jose Rizal, a Filipino nationalist and intellectual. No Limit Tangere explores the social issues and injustice under Spanish colonial rule in the Philippines, while El Filibusterismo serves as its sequel, delving deeper into the consequences of resistance and the impact of oppression on society. Both novels played crucial roles in inspiring the Philippine Revolution against Spanish colonization and remain significant literary works in Philippine history.
No Limit Tangere is the first novel written by Filipino patriot and national hero Dr. Jose P. Rizal in 1887, published in Germany. The history is detailed with the Philippine society during the Spanish colonial period, and the future is see behind the poverty and abuse of. No Limit Tangere, Latin for Touch Me Not, is a novel by Filipino writing and activist Jose Rizal and was published during the Spanish colonial period of the Philippines. It explores the perceived inequality in law and practice in terms of the treatment by ruling government and the Spanish Catholic priests of the resident peoples in the late 19th century. No Limit Tangere.